Would you rather...
Need to work out lots for that.
Would you rather have a girlfriend, that wore makeup and heels all the time, or would you rather have a girlfriend that was like chilled and wore no makeup?
Wore no makeup?
Why do boys always say that?
Because it's better.
What, no makeup?
Yeah, if you get a nice pretty one.
Have a girl that's done up the whole...
Do you want this one?
Yeah. Would you rather have to do a poo 3 times a day or do a wee 25 times a day? Poo 3 or a wee?
3 times a day. Do a poo 3 times a day.
Or a wee.
I'll do that now.
You don't want coffee?
Huh?
What?
Alright, cool.
You don't like that.
2, 3, 4, come on. 5, 1 for luck. And you can go to bed.
Well done.
Are you not going to leave these lights on? Are you being serious, BB?
They're probably trying to work something else to do with us. We've been so boring. With one remaining housemate.
Can we only use one housemate for each thing?
You've got no body fat.
It's all muscle, babe.
It is. Look at your little bum. Okay.